Welcome back to another video, guys. There's an interesting market situation on Crash 500 index, so I would want us to have a look on this index in today's video. Thereby we'll be analyzing from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame to have a proper view and look on this index. You guys know that whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look out for my trade opportunities, right, I start from a higher time frame, and this higher time frame can be the daily time frame, can be the monthly time frame, it can be the weekly time frame. So I would want us to start from the weekly time frame on Crash 500 index. You can see that there is one clear market direction, which is markets being on a downtrend. This index has been on a massive decline, right? This index has been on a bearish run for a very long time now. I would say since its existence, which was on 14th July 2019, this index has declined in value, and the highest point of this index, the highest price value of this index is at $127,703, and it's currently at $3,488, which we can see that it has declined in value from the 100,000 levels to 3,000 levels. So this tells us a lot about this index, right? So do we expect this index to regain strength? Is there any possibility of this index climbing back, like gaining value again? So we'll be having a look on all of that in today's video. So the first thing I do whenever I want to analyze the markets is to spot the overall market direction from a higher time frame, and we can tell that this index has been on a downtrend, right? So the next thing we do is to spot our levels and zones we got on this index. One of those important levels we got, those important zones, is at this point, is at this zone, because you can see that price has bought and sold on this level as a support and as a resistance. You can see market reaction here, support at this zone, resistance, and resistance on this level. So this is one of those important zones we got on this index. The next level we have, the next nearest level to the current price zone, the current price level is at this point, right? So what do we expect of this index? Are we to see price reverse to the upside to come test this previous level, which was a level of support now broken, which is currently a resistance level, even though price is yet to test this level, right? So on the weekly time frame, you can see that the last week on Crash 500 index was a bullish week, right? This last week was a bullish week, and we're having another bullish week currently. So are we to get more bullish weeks, right? Or are we to see price still decline to the downside for the sell continuation? So coming to the daily time frame, we can see that this index is trying to create a nice formation, right? This index is trying to create a nice formation whereby we got a level formed at this point, we got a level formed at that zone, and they saying that this is a key level because we got price buy on this level as a support, resistance, and resistance before price broke above this level. Now price is trying to approach this broken level for a possible retest for long-term reversal for the buys to this zone. Remember, I said I'm expecting price to get to this level. On the weekly time frame, we identified it. I said I'm expecting price to get to this zone, like for price to buy to this level, and the daily time frame is giving us that expected buy structure, that expected bullish market structure, right? So if price can give a good retest of this zone, this identified level, then the buy move is expected to the upside, right? The buy move is expected, long-term buys, and I'm likely to take advantage of this wonderful trade opportunity. So on the 4-hour time frame, everything is looking good, everything is beginning to make sense, right? If price can give a good retest of this zone, then we'll be seeing something of this kind. And we got this clear bullish formation. Price is creating this higher lows formation, right? So if price can give a little retest, a little sell to the downside to come test this zone, then let's expect the long-term buys on Crash 500 index. So that's it, guys. That's my view and market analysis. And we got a zone here as well, which we have to watch out for if you are to get into the buys, because price is likely to react on this level again, because you can see previous market reactions, resistance at this zone. Now price is approaching this key zone So if price can buy from this level, you should watch out for this zone as a possible zone we could expect market reactions or rejections from. So me taking the buys, my target level, my first target level should be at this point. Remember, I'm swinging this position, so my first TP is going to be a wide TP. So that's this, guys. That's my view and market analysis. Short-term sales is still expected on the lower time frame because we got this level here. We got this level which price broke below, right? So if price can give a little retest on a lower time frame like the 1 hour time frame, a little retest of this zone in particular, then let's expect the sales, something of this kind, price pushing up a little bit to this zone. It's already selling. You can see the spike to the downside, the crash to the downside. So let's still expect the short-term sales, but generally I'm looking out for buy opportunities on crash 500 index from this zone. A move of this kind, price retesting this level, then the long-term buys to the upside from this point. All right, so that's this, guys. That's my view and market analysis on crash 500 index price action. Basically, you are able to analyze from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame for our possible entry points. All right, so hit the like button for more market analysis like this and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for engaging my videos. Just let me know, guys. Let's do more and have enough of it.